Hi everyone. Today the question that we are doing, it involves 3 points and you have to find the area of the triangle. So you are given with 3 points on the coordinate plane and you have to find the area of a triangle. Where are 3 points? This is 1, 2 and 3 points are here. Okay. Now, we'll use this formula to find the area of the triangle with the help of 3 given points. I have it here for you. This is the formula. Okay. This formula we will use. Now, x1 times y2 minus y3 plus x2 times y3 minus y1 plus x3 times y1 minus y2. And whatever you get, if you get a positive value or a negative value, take the positive value. For example, this whole thing comes out to be negative 23. You have to take the absolute value, which is 23. Then you half it. Okay. Now, how will you remember this formula? Simple. 1, 2, 3. Then 2, 3, 1. And 3, 1, 2. First you take x1, then x2, then x3. And then half it. Okay. So they are kind of cyclic, right? Now, let us identify the coordinates. The coordinate for this point is 5, 5 and then 3. So 5, 3 is the coordinate here. For this point, the coordinate is negative 3 and 4. And for this guy here, the coordinates are 4 and negative 3. So we'll take x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x1, y1. Let's take 5, 3. x2, y2. You can take any of them as 1, 2, and 3 points. It doesn't matter. You just have to follow the order. For negative 3, I'm taking. And x3, y3, I am taking as negative 3, 4. Apply the formula. We have half of, let's take x1, 5, y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3, so minus 3, and then minus 4, plus x2 is 4 times y3 minus y1, y3 minus y1, so 4 minus 3, and plus x3, which is negative 3. I'll write it in bracket. Then times y1 minus y2. y1 is 3 and y2 is minus 3. So 3 minus minus 3 gives you a positive 6. Or let me just write it. y1 is 3 and minus y2, minus of negative 3, which becomes a plus 3. Now simplify. 1 half, 5 as it is. Minus 3 minus 4 gives you minus 7. Plus 4. 4 minus 3 gives you a 1. Then plus minus 3 times a 6. Simplifying further, 1 half of 7 times 5 is 35, so negative 35, plus 4, this gives you minus 3 times 6 is 18. Now, 1 half of So 4 minus 18 will be negative 4. Negative 4, negative 35 will give you negative 49. Now remember, take the absolute value. Take absolute value. Okay. So you will take it as you will take the absolute value of the whole thing. So it's absolute value of negative 49 over 2, which is equal to 49 over 2. Or you can convert it to decimal. In the decimal form, it will be 24.5 unit square. Okay, it will be in square unit. Okay, guys. The only thing that you will do here is remember this formula. Also, how can you do it over the Desmos? It's pretty much same. Um, but yes, the simplification would take lesser time. But you'll have to plug in the values and all. Okay. Once you identify your points, in Desmos, you can draw the triangle as well. How you can draw it? You have to write polygon and then give the coordinates of the polygon. So the first coordinate is 5, comma 3. Make sure you write all the brackets correctly. And then 4, negative 3. See, I already have a one line here. Let me erase the drawing. Okay, I'll erase it once I am done writing the coordinate points. And the last point is negative 3, comma 4. 4. This is a triangle we had, see? These are the points. If you make a triangle here, it will look similar. And see, it's the same triangle. Okay. Also, you can mark the vertices as well on the triangle. How? You have to mention the points actually. Let me just erase it, erase the whole thing. Okay. So how can we mark the points? You can write your vertex. You can write your vertex A as 5, 3. Just write it as 5, 3. You can label it. Okay. Well, for solving this question, these steps are unnecessary. I am only doing this to show you, to give you a visualization of the triangle. Otherwise, these steps are absolutely unnecessary here. Always write, if you're labeling the points with some name, okay, they should be capital letters. So label, you get the coordinates. Okay. Now what can you do? Same thing. You just need to write the formula in a way to get it. Okay. So you'll write, let me get that thing back. Let me erase the unnecessary things that we don't need. Okay. This thing you should be able to figure out without writing it. If you're skipping the writing part, you are literally saving a lot of time. Be aware of the brackets. Always never mess up the brackets. Okay. Then I'll write plus. So what I'm doing, I'm writing this whole thing in here so that my solving is quicker. Minus 3 I have, then I'll do times and 3 plus 3. Okay. I got negative 24.5. What I will do? I will take the positive value. Okay, because it is area. Area can never be negative. Area gives you the area is always a positive value. Also, the length of the line, it is also a positive value. Distance is a positive value. Okay. Likewise. So, see, one thing, if you just identify the points, this polygon A, B, C, you don't need to draw. Just do this thing over here, you are done. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.